You know who it is, one of your favorite content creators, Jonasegway here. Look, today's video, I'm going to do wireless microphones, and we're just going to do wireless, okay? Because a lot of people want to go wireless these days. There are a few people who would prefer to go wired and or connected to from microphone to camera, but this is all wireless. So I want to know to you guys, and I went for max settings, okay? Right now you guys are watching me on the Hero 13 green, okay? In case you guys didn't know, GoPro did make a 13 white and a 13 green as well as the black, but this is the 13 green. And we do have a macro lens, so this one's probably going to put out the best looking picture. Just my opinion, but you guys will let me know in the comments below, right? We're connected to the GoPro wireless microphone kit. This is how I sound. There are no options available. You connect to this via Bluetooth and you don't have gain controls or anything like that. So I just want to know you guys' opinion on which camera did it best, or which manufacturer did it best when it comes to wireless audio to the cameras in their lineup. So Hero 13 green, GoPro wireless microphone. Let's go to the next one. I just realized something. Some of you guys might not be feeling me for this one. Y'all ain't gonna feel me on this, but we got the Insta360 Ace Pro too. Now this is gonna be the same for the X5 camera. It's gonna be the same for the X4 Lite. You'll be able to make your adjustments accordingly. Right now we got the gain at +3 decibels, if I'm not mistaken. I'm using the Mic Air. I just did a video with the Mic Air Pro and the Mic Air Moto vlogging, and when I sat down and I did this part of the video, the Mic Air was just a little bit better. That's just my opinion though. So I'm gonna do the Mic Air. This is the Mic Air with the Ace Pro 2. You don't get a lot of options with the Mic Air, which is why I like the Mic Air. For you guys who like to do the plug and play thing, the Mic Air is a really good microphone that doesn't require a whole lot of knowledge or know-how to operate. Like I said, it's just very simple. All I did was go to the gain settings in the camera and put it at +3 decibels. And this is how I sound right now. So again, you guys have it noted, okay? So we're gonna go, and because I know you guys still want to hear it regardless, we're gonna go on ahead and get the Mic Pro. All right, you're welcome. And so here you have the Insta360's Mic Pro. In case you guys haven't figured out, I do have the voice on rich tone, because there's a whole lot of options you can do now with the Mic Pro. So it's on rich tone. We have omnidirectional, okay? You have to do omnidirectional if you want to wear it. You can do super voice, but if that thing isn't pointing directly at your mouth, it's not going to sound as good as it could. So it was another reason why I did the Mic Air instead of the Mic Air Pro. But if you guys wanted to hear what the Mic Air Pro, this is it. It's +3 decibel gain. I'm going to do one level over 0 for all the microphones, except for DJI, because DJI's microphones, the Mic 3 is very sensitive. It's a really good microphone, as you will hear next. Don't let my opinion steer you into your opinion, okay? We have the Mic Action 5 Pro. Now, I want you guys to understand, if you have an Action 4, if you have an Action 6, it is going to be the same deal. The audio quality does not change with this Mic 3, which is the microphone we're using right now to do this audio test with this Action 5 Pro. So, what do you guys think? I feel like this might be a runner-up, but like I said, don't let my opinions form your opinions. You put them earphones in and you tell me which one you think, all right? As I move on to get the last camera and microphone combination. This last one is, I'm still trying to figure out how I feel about it, because it's one of those cameras that I spent money on, right? A lot of money, and I'm not very sure how I feel. Now this thing is what you call a cinema action camera, okay? First of all, how does the audio sound? We're not even worried about the video quality. Let's hear about that audio. How does the audio sound compared to that DJI you just heard? This is the Mission 1 Pro GoPro, okay? I find myself reaching for the Hero 13 a lot more. It is what it is. Maybe it's the macro lens, I don't know. What do you guys think though? Does this look good? Now I'm gonna have to color grade this because I do have ND filters for this camera. So I decided to put the ND32 on. It's pretty bright out. There's no clouds in the sky. You guys can, well, there are some clouds in the sky now that I've seen that. But for the most part, it's looking like a Simpsons kind of day, maybe a light Simpsons kind of day. But anyways, audio test. Now, this was going to be the last camera microphone combo, and I do have the audio settings on this because this one actually gives you audio settings as well. I do have it on +3 gain. The voice tuning is set to voice, so it's designed obviously to pick up my voice a little bit better than, you know, not having it on voice. The image is on balance. I am recording in GP Log 2. I can't remember your name, but you might be watching this video, so shout outs to you. Remember I told you that you was kind of opening my mind up to something new with recording with ND filters and, you know, with the Mission 1 camera, recording in GP Log. So shout outs to you for kind of bringing that to my attention. So I think I'm going to entertain that a little bit here, okay? But GoPro Mission 1 with the GoPro wireless microphone. This is how it sounds. I understand some of you guys might be like, well, what if I have the Mic 3 and I want to use it with the Mission 1 camera? It still works via Bluetooth, okay? It doesn't sound as good as this does, but it sounds really close to as good. And I mean so close that depending on the content you're making, people may not even notice, you know? I do have the microphones like right here. So all of the cameras, microphones, were sitting right here, that close to my mouth. I'm talking with a hey, I got 2 or 3 people standing around me sort of voice tone, okay? But this is how it sounds. And elephant in the room. Okay, so this very, very last one is with an old camera or cell phone of mine, as you will, my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I went full manual because my friend that I was just talking about who put me onto the ND filters, he also told me about a video that I was shooting when I had this phone actually recording the video. He said that the first 4 seconds was fine, and then after the 4 seconds it went completely horrid. So but that's not it. We're not talking about hold on, you hear me? Okay, you guys hear me. We're not talking about the actual phone, because this is a phone and I am using a USB-C receiver plugged into the phone. And when it comes to cell phone recordings, I don't mind using USB-C receivers, because most of the new ones these days, they have pass-through charging. So if you needed to have your phone charging while on the fly, you can just plug the USB-C receiver into the phone and then plug a USB-C charger right into the USB-C receiver, because it has that, okay? This is the Hollyland Lark M2S. What do you guys think? How does it sound? Does it sound good? Does it sound crappy? I just wanted you guys to know, to hear how that sounds, because sometimes we put too much focus on recording with an action camera or a point and shoot camera. You don't always need that. Sometimes a regular cell phone will do the trick. Maybe you can go on Marketplace, look for an old cell phone. It could be an Apple phone. It just depends on the ecosystem that you guys are in, and then you can go on ahead and use that to record your video. So without further ado, thanks for watching. Jay on the Segway. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, because you're gonna subscribe right now, hit the notification bell, right? I know you are. So thanks for watching, and check out the links in the description below. I have some affiliate links. I just have some links. If you guys don't mind going ahead and order with some of the links down in the description below. It gives me a kickback, doesn't charge you anything extra. And I'll see y'all in the next video, all right? Peace.